Tecno's Spark 20 Pro Plus secures Platinum win at the Muse Design Awards 2024. Recently, the Muse Design Awards have announced their winners for 2024. Tecno's Spark 20 Pro Plus, the newest premium model in the Spark 20 series, stood out among more than 8,500 works to win a prestigious Platinum Muse Design Award 2024 in the Product Design, Digital and Electronic Devices category. Following Spark 20 Pro Plus' recent French Design Award success, this latest award is further recognition of Spark's excellence in product design and innovation. The Muse Design Award, often dubbed the Oscars of the design industry, is held jointly by the American Association of Museums, AAM, and the International Awards Association, IAA, and is esteemed as one of the most influential international awards in the creative design realm. With 51 expert judges from diverse creative disciplines, Muse Design Awards is known for its rigorous judging system and high-quality standards, with the Platinum Award being the highest segment of the Muse Design Awards. Creativity is limitless, and it lays the foundation for every great design. At IAA, we believe in honoring and promoting the brilliance and originality that propel the creative process forward, stated Thomas Brandt, spokesperson for the Muse Design Awards. The Spark 20 Pro Plus captivated us with its meticulous detail, exceptional craftsmanship, and innovative design, making it a deserving recipient of the esteemed Platinum Award. The Spark 20 Pro Plus is a breakthrough device in Tecno's mission to deliver more premium and innovate features and modern stylish design to a greater global audience. The device is cutting edge in its appearance, with a bold 56.5-degree ergonomics double-curved design featuring G3 curvature, while its slender 7.55mm body and 175 grams weight bring comfort as well as style. Drawing inspiration from the cosmos, the device's quadrant star array camera design highlights the 108-megapixel camera with striking symmetry, while nanoscale photolithography introduces a glasses-free 3D aspect. The focus of the device is not only on aesthetics, but on the user experience. With Tecno's latest advanced material Magic Skin 2.0 and advanced silicone leather material, Spark 20 Pro Plus creates incredible comfort with a natural tactile and premium texture, while also providing eco-friendly and antibacterial qualities. With a unique appearance and high-quality materials, Spark 20 Pro Plus brings a new era of design standards for smartphones in its price range, and highlights Tecno's position as a pioneer in smartphone design.